Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanhimselfonfire.com. I also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. All right, so I'm sorry about my appearance, a little sweaty, grimy, or whatever. As you can tell, we have a hurricane warning, and so I've been sandbagging, putting out my storm shutters and stuff. Got the boys out there picking up stuff, getting water, things like that. But I wanted to make this video just in case the lights go out and I couldn't make it this weekend. It's something I definitely wanted to do. First of all, thank everyone that has been getting the video. I'm asking for a $25 donation, and it's basically telling you how you can sell internet, step by step, everything you need to do to sell internet and cable to people. So shout out to you that's investing in yourself and becoming your own boss. But a lot of you been asking me questions like, all right, Tech, how do I manage my clients? And I just want to show you guys a simple way that you can manage your clients, how I manage my clients, and hopefully this would help you until you're able to grow, get your website and everything up and running. But this is a great way to get started. Just keep us in your prayers, guys. Let me see if I can pull up the radar right quick. Right now, we don't have any bad weather per se, and you can see that track. You see where that track is going right there? Where the green line is at, that's where I'm located. That green dot is where I'm located. So look like it's gonna come right over us. So that's the track. Straight to, so this is one of the things that you can do to help manage your client. All right, so this is a free method. Instead of using Excel or something like that, or spreadsheets, you know, something you have to pay for. If you have a Google, if you have an Android device or access to Android tablet, you can download Google Sheets. All right, so once you get Google Sheets open, you can go ahead and just say, you see spreadsheets, you can just click spreadsheets right there. All right, and you can title it whatever you want, and then you can just literally go into all of those different categories. So you see right here, I have an example. So I have Jimmy. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So I have Jimmy Ice. I typed that in there, Jimmy Ice. All right, cable and internet. And then you remember, once you receive payment from that individual, you go to the site, you pay for their data plan, you resell it to them. They have everything they need. This is part of the process. Setting up one person, the first thing you want to do is create an email account that only you have access to. So for example, this person's name is Jimmy Ice. Of course, this is, you know, a fictional character, and Jimmy have cable and internet. Now, if you just selling them internet, then it would just be internet. Then see, this is Jimmy email address that I created. So that same email address is the same email address that I would go to when I go to that secret website to pay for the data. And I'm setting up an account. I would set up an account under Jimmy Ice right here. This would be his email. This would be his due date right here. Let me get Skip and Shannon off there. It would be his due date right here. His payday, his due date. I always tell you guys, make sure, and again, this is just fictional. I would tell you guys, make sure that you schedule them 2 days prior. Schedule their due date 2 days prior to you having to pay on the site. Every individual client will have an account with the site. So if you got 10 clients, you have 10 accounts. All accounts you would pay for with the same card. That's why it's very, very important, because you're going to enroll them automatically. So it's going to pay automatically. If they do not pay you, you can go in there, you can cancel them. And if they want to sign back up, you can charge them a reactivation fee. But you have all of this in the spreadsheet. And one of the things you want to do, and you can go like to F right here. You can put whatever password you use to have access to the email address or to that account. So let's say I wanted to go and put C6, and that would be the password to the account right there, C6. So and you can go ahead and you can put whatever you want. So that's one way right there. So have all of your clients set up right here. You save that, you title that, and you will be able to come back to these sheets each and every time to make sure you have that proper information. Now another thing, once again, iPhone people, Android. So you can go into your Google Calendar, and what you want to do, you want to go ahead and you want to find a date. Again, this is just, you know, a fake date. Find a date for that client. People, look. This is the work you have to do up front. When you sign someone up, create an email account for them. You take that same email account, and then you go and you create an account for that data. You pay for it with that card. Let's call it your business card. It's going to be the card you're going to sign up everyone with. Is going to be automatically renewed. Then you take that information that due date, that email, that password, and you put it into that spreadsheet. Always have them pay 2 days before it automatically renew on that site. That way you can know if that person has paid or not. You don't want someone to automatically renew, and that way now they're getting free money off of you because you wasn't made aware of that. And then after you have all of that, you come right here into your calendar. So let's go to this date. Now you can come right here and you can title, you can say Jimmy due date. All right, save that. And then I didn't want to back out of there, so I go to Jimmy due date. So then I can go and you see July 9th. I can set up a time to where I want, hey, I want Jimmy to have paid by 5 o'clock. All right, done. And then I want to go ahead and I want to set up a alarm. So I want to get notified by email or notified on my phone 5 minutes before its due date, or an hour before due date, or a day before its due date, or I can create a custom date. So what this is going to do is going to send me a notification and say, hey, you got a client that's due. This is the client, Jimmy. I can go and see, hey, Jimmy haven't paid. Then I go into his account that I created with the email, and then I log in there and I cancel, because why? He didn't pay his bill, or she didn't pay her bill. So guys, that's simple. You can use those 2 free tools to manage your customers. So I hope that that's helping you with the game changer. Guys, invest in yourself. If you want the video, I'm asking for a $25 donation. All you got to do is send me a cash app to dbogan78. It's going to be in the description of this video. Make sure you include your email. Cash app, if you don't include your email, there's no way for me to communicate with you. Or you can send me a donation through PayPal at bathroomminister@gmail.com, because some people say the pay me at taking a bathroom wasn't working. But again, it's going to be in the description of the video. If you're having trouble getting a payment to me, just shoot me an email, takingabathroom@gmail.com. We'll work through it. But these are some free tools you can use to help start your own business, become your own boss. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm rushing through it, but I really wanted to get this video done before the weather comes and I be out without lights. But I'm still going to have the game changer, baby, because it's running off of batteries. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.